Conversation between brother and sister. This is a conversation between brother and sister, where the sister is suggesting her brother use time in an efficient as well as an effective way to make the most out of vacations, instead of wasting time doing nothing. Let us see how this brother and sister conversation goes on. I am noticing you watching TV throughout the day and doing nothing.
Yes, I am free to watch TV and do anything. I wish as my vacations have just started.
Yes, I know that your vacations have started. So why don't you utilize this time and do something that will help you in the future?
But are not vacations just to relax and do nothing?
No, I made the most out of my vacations, and I wish you to do the same.
I did not see you do anything during your vacations. All I remember was you lounging on the sofa with your phone.
Oh, I was not lounging on the sofa. I was in the middle of completing a course, and you must opt for a short course too.
What kind of a course?
I mean, there are so many courses. Choose a course that is related to your studies, and that will be an add-on for you. It will also add up to your resume.
Do I have a choice of doing a part-time internship?
Of course, you have that choice.
I can apply online for a part-time internship, and can gain experience that will help me once I get out in the real world of corporate.
That is true. I think getting work experience is more important than dragging yourself through a degree and throwing lots of money into it.
Are you suggesting?
No, not at all. Don't even think of it.
Ha ha ha.
Degrees are important too. And more important than that is choosing the right field.
But you said just now that work experience is more important.
Yes, it is important, but a degree in a particular field, with an addition of work experience, works as a cherry on the cake.
So in short, it will make my job easier, and I will get to learn more.
Yes, you will get to learn more and you will understand how to manage your studies and internship at once.
Will it not be tough?
Exactly. It will be tough, but like I said just now that you will learn how to manage your routine.
Okay, I will list out some startups to work with, and I'll let you know in the evening.
Good. Now don't go and watch TV again.
Yeah, I am not like you.
Oh, just go away. Like, share, subscribe, please.